Nice. Nice. And to continue, we're going to get these out here. I'm going to show you something. These wheels are especially made for this Neewer C-stand, which I will show you here in a blink of an eye. Nice hunk of wheel. 3 of them. On, off, lock. That one's already off. Boy. You want to stand on that, I think. Wow. These are Neewer. N-E-E-W-E-R. Neewer product. Neewer brand product. Open these up, I reckon, like this. That one's already open, and as that one is. And now we will attempt put one of these on there, and I think I'll put it that way. Simple. So that's one of them. One of these on here. I think you should probably make sure it slips in the whole way. Tighten him up. And one more here. I mean, this thing's so simple. It didn't even come with instructions. How that would go, and that's, you know, the angle. Of course, inside there it is, yeah, it would definitely go according like that. We're going to attempt to put this in.